Well, hello guys, this is your girl Diva Fashionista, and this is my first full DIY. I am so excited. This is the inspo piece. I saw it on Big Lots, not exactly my color palette for this season, so I said, let's see if I can do this on my own. So between Michael's and Dollar Tree, I purchased most of these items. This pick is from Michael's. They will buy one, get one free. So I actually have two of these, but I'm only going to use one. Now, this frame is not exactly like the one pictured. This was in the summer clearance. It was 70% off, so I got it for $3. And once I saw it, I just had to have it. I didn't care. I was like, this is my piece. It is a little heavy, but I think this will work for this project. Now, if I wanted to be spot on, Michaels also had this frame at a whopping $59. Home Goods had this mirrored frame. Check out my afro. And then Burlington, this was the most cost effective at Burlington. But I fell in love with these like window shutters. So I already had these mums on hand, already had these little white flowers on hand, and they look like what was pictured in the inspo picture. And I had this, and I'm just going to use the pine cone. Had this on hand. I've already used some of it. And so I showed these burlap leaves in a recent haul. It's not in the inspo picture, but I wanted to use it. And then I just found these pumpkins that clip on. Everyone's been hauling, but I could only find one bag. Then I knew I wanted some burlap for the bowl, so I got that at Dollar Tree. And then of course these are metal words that everyone's been hauling from Dollar Tree as well. So this is like a splurge item for me. Didn't really fit in the budget. I think DIY should be very cost effective, but these retail for 10 at Michael's, and it's just my color palette. I had a 40% coupon, so I wound up paying $6 for these, but they were so pretty I couldn't pass. I probably will go back and get another. I had these leaves on hand, and I just didn't think I had enough greenery once I started laying out all my items, so I may use a little of this. And then I did go back to Dollar Tree to get the wreath. The inspo picture had a gray wreath, but I also have the Dollar Tree ones that are like the natural wood, but I thought the darker wood would pop more. So now I'm just putting glue. I'm going to use a mixture of hot glue and E6000. Oh, what's an E600? Girl, I don't know. I just picked up what I saw you guys hauling. Now, tell me down below, is it necessary to mix glue? Because I see you guys doing it. I recently said in a video, I'm not a DIYer, so I'm just so shocked that I'm sitting here doing a DIY. But tell me if you guys find it necessary to mix glue. I just did it because that's what I've seen. So you're going to see me doing that again here. I just position the wreath as close to the middle as possible. Gonna lay down that first layer of glue, and then I'm going to follow up with some hot glue as well. So just pressing it down to make sure that it's in place. Let the glue do its thing. And now I decided I was going to put on the words right now. So I'm just positioning the words. I'm trying to decide which words, because going in I didn't really have an overview of what I wanted to do, which is just to like copy the picture as much as possible, but then I just kind of started freestyling and doing my own thing. As you can see, I added two burlap leaves. I added some flowers down in the corner, and the original definitely didn't have that. I am now just going ahead and adding the leaves. Now, once I added the leaves, I didn't like them, but they were glued down, so it was over for taking it off. I still could try to like trim it back later on if I just really hate it, but yeah, I didn't really like it after I put it. And now I'm just clipping on the pumpkins because they have the clips on them. I'm just going to use the clips. I could remove the clips and glue or add some glue, but I didn't really do that. So now I'm adding in the leaves. These leaves look just like the ones in the original. So I'm adding these on. I really wish I had more of these. And now I'm just going to sit here and just play with it and just slowly just add and build up the wreath as much as possible. Add a little glue, make sure everything is secure. And I am so anal. You know how like the little flyaway glue? So I really just try to sit through the project and just pull it off as much as possible. So now, shout out to hubby, because we watched a bowl tutorial. I'm telling you, I'm not a DIY. So we watched a bowl tutorial, and he actually made my bowl because he was watching me do this.
He said you did it too, but it didn't work for you.
Yeah,
somebody else did
So
it.
how you gonna say because it worked for Travis Scott? So don't do it because you just mad because it didn't work for you, or somebody that else did it is your friend, but you gonna go because it's doing it and it's not fair. You cheated and this and that. No.
I just thought that was funny when I heard that while I was editing. But shout out to him for making my bowl for me. And this is just me positioning this. And you know, if you don't know, we were talking about the Nicki Minaj Travis Scott situation. That's how it goes down in my house. A lot of hip hop, a lot of love. So this is me just finishing up, and I am so pleased with how this project turned out. For my first full DIY, it really came out amazing. I think it actually does look better than the original, and I'm just totally pleased. So this is it in the morning. I'm just trying to let it dry. I'm actually not going to move it. Let that glue set in, and I might reinforce the back a little bit. I don't know just yet, but yes, this is the first of my full DIY. There's one more to come, maybe more. I got the DIY bug. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave some feedback. As always, if I don't catch you, you will catch me in the next one. Later, guys.